Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn common phrasal adjectives which can help you to speak English fluently. So let's begin with some interesting common phrasal adjectives. So the first one is beaten up. That means old or in a bad state. Example, her sandals were old and somewhat beaten up, but very comfortable. Leftover stands for food remains. Example, there are some leftover breadsticks in the fridge. Leftover यानी कि बची हुई. Knocked down, that means lower than usual or before. Normal से थोड़ा कम, okay? जितना normally होता है उससे कम. Example, my mother sold some of her gold jewelry at a knocked down price. मतलब कि कम price पे. Back up, that means supporting or alternative. Example, I always make a backup copy of my files in my computer. Bygone, that means of the distant past, बहुत पुरानी. These old photographs are from a bygone era. Uplifting, that means inspiring or cheerful. Syra was feeling sad, so we watched an uplifting movie. That means very inspiring movie or cheerful movie. Worn out, that means extremely tired or exhausted. Ane was completely worn out after work. Stressed out, that means anxious about something. She is stressed out with work at the moment. वो काफी tension में है related to work at the moment. Ongoing, that means in progress. There is an ongoing download into the system. I hope you all can relate very well with the image on the right hand side, that is representing an ongoing download. Outdated, that means old-fashioned or out of date. I am replacing my outdated phone with a new one. Drawn out, lasting very long time. Buying a house can be stressful, drawn out process. That means very long process. Follow up, following. My doctor and I scheduled a follow-up appointment. Made up, that means not true. Rahul is always telling his friends made up stories. That means invented stories. Stories which are not true. Putting, unpleasant. I found the violence in the movie very off-putting. Outgoing, social or extroverted. Amira is very friendly and outgoing person. Outstanding, excellent. Your essay is outstanding. Run down, that means in a poor condition. He is renovating an old rundown house. So that was all about this video. Stay tuned for the next lesson.